Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Nizarbal, and today I'll be doing my first ever mini vlog. I'm gonna be trying out the new Popeyes chicken sandwich everyone's talking about, and let's get into it. Follow me. Alright guys, so we just reached Popeyes, as you guys can see over there. The line is not too long. It was much longer yesterday, but we came back day 2. Hopefully we can get the sandwich in about like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll see you guys then. Hi, can I get 2 spicy chicken sandwiches?
Sandwiches or which combo?
Just the sandwiches. Hi.
1328. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
There's 2 spicy sandwiches and a large fry?
Yep.
Ketchup?
Yes, please. Perfect. Thank you so much. You too. Secured the bag, boys. Let's get it. Alright guys, here we go. It's finally time to try out the sandwich and see if it lives up to the hype. Here we go. It's looking good already. By the way guys, before I try it, I want to let you know that I'm the biggest Chik-Fil-A fan. So there's going to be a nice comparison to see if I like it. Here we go. Let's get straight into it. Try that back. Alright guys, so the first few bites, so far it's really good. I'm the biggest Chick-fil-A guy, so I might be siding with them right now, but I think it's up there though. Let's go and give it another taste. Alright guys, one last bite. We're almost done with it, then I'm gonna give my rating. It's definitely living up to the hype. If I'm being honest, I'm gonna give my honest opinion about the sandwich. Out of 10, I would want to rate it at 9. For me, a Chick-fil-A is a 10, but the fact that this Popeyes chicken sandwich is at 9 shows how much I like it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And yeah, for me, this is one of the best chicken sandwiches I've had. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.